The company started as just a stock shape distributor a little over 30 years ago.
We started in 1982 as a distributor of high-tech industrial plastics.
We've grown quite a bit from where we originally started as just selling stock shapes to people. Now we're making finished parts and selling those as well.
When I first came to TriStar in 1995, we were running Radio Shack software. But we knew if we wanted to grow, we had to have a software system or allow us to grow with it. We asked Syspro, look, here's our challenge, here's what we're looking at. We've got a communication issue. How could we make this better? And in collaboration with Syspro's development team, we came up with some very small, minor, inexpensive customizations that really did improve our processes. And we're going to do that every couple of years.
Sales orders, purchase orders, our whole system basically runs off of Syspro. Sales history, previous sales orders with a simple drop down, you can access that. We check inventory on a pretty regular basis, so the salespeople will get a call and they got to check and see if we have it in stock. The great thing about it is all 4 of our branches, we can see each other's inventory.
We've actually used quite a few of the third-party solutions along with Syspro. We were looking to digitize the business, so we looked at the Dash DDX solution along with the Syspro integration and decided that was our best solution. We went from having hundreds, and I'm not exaggerating, hundreds of file cabinets full of paper here in our headquarters, along with dozens more in each one of our branches, to having no need for any of those file cabinets at all.
We'll sometimes stumble across a feature that we might not have been using or might not know about, or IT will send out a quick email saying, hey, did you know that you can do this in Syspro? And we're like, no, we didn't. That's great. What a great feature that is. So that happens a lot too. Syspro should be a great choice for you. If you're in sales, it works great for sales. If you have manufacturing, it's a great software package for manufacturing because of what you can do with it. If you're doing both and it ties both of those things in, I couldn't think of a better software package that would work other than Syspro.
Syspro is not just a vendor to us, they are our strategic partner. Without this partnership with them, we would not have grown the way we have over the last 20 years.